With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question given here is, why is wire gauze placed under glass apparatus when they are heated? So wire gauze is basically made up of wire. It's a woven in wires, and it is made up of metals such as iron, steel, or copper. Right. So we can see in this figure as well. There's a beaker kept under, like wire gauze is kept under this glass beaker, and there is a Bunsen, there is a spirit lamp here, or maybe a Bunsen burner can kept. And why it is kept under this glass apparatus? Because wire gauze is a very important piece. Wire gauze is an important piece for supporting equipment in chemistry labs or in labs as glassware cannot be heated directly with the flame of a Bunsen burner or a spirit lamp. So wire gauze, what the wire gauze does, wire gauze just basically helps in the expansion of the heat. So you can say write it as wire gauze diffuse the heat, or you can write it as it expands the heat evenly throughout the surface of the glass apparatus, evenly on the glass apparatus, which do not causes the breaking of the glass apparatus. Because if the glass apparatus is kept directly on the heat, so the heat will like break the glass apparatus, and heat will not be like acquired around the corners and all the surface of the apparatus. So the wire gauze is helpful in supporting the equipment, and also it expands the heat energy, like heat evenly on the under the apparatus. So basically wire gauges are made up of metals. You can say iron or steel or copper, etc. Also wire gauze has a ceramic center. So wire gauges with the ceramic centers diffuses more evenly than the wire gauges without the ceramic center. So this is the required answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.